Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 for free on the PC. The first thing you need to do before you start is you need to watch my free games, movies, and software for free video and download the program BitTorrent, which is shown in that video. You will also need a zip file extracting program if you do not have one, and there will be one in the description called WinRAR if you do not have one. You also need another program called Daemon Tools, which will also be in the description, the download, and um, Daemon Tools is a virtual CD-ROM drive which you can mount ISO image, which I'll show you later on what an ISO image is. Um, okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Internet Explorer and click on my first link. It'll come to this page, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 proper Skid Row. You'll download that torrent, you'll get a little box here asking you to click OK, and you'll click OK and it'll launch a program into BitTorrent. And then it'll be in the download section. And once it's done downloading, it'll come here and it'll start seeding. The download can take up to maybe a day and a half. It's getting slower every day just because people are continuously downloading it. But you'll right click it and you'll click stop and it'll stop the seeding. Um, and once that's done, you're going to click on my second link, which is, um, let me find it here, but it will be my second link. It'll bring you to this page here, and this is the second file you'll need, and it works the same way. It'll start downloading, right click to stop, do the same exact thing you did with that. So once it's done with that, once you're done downloading both of those and you stop the seeding, you need to go back to your BitTorrent program and you need to right click it and you'll get something like this. You'll get a little DVD 1 and a DVD 2. You click DVD 1 and Control A, and you won't have this folder here. Just make sure to unclick that. And this is where your 7-zip extracting program comes in. So you right click that and you'll extract to MW2A. Once that's done, you get a folder up here. And wait until and you'll get this ISO image. Which again, you'll need the virtual CD-ROM drive program, Daemon Tools, to mount that later on. And then you do the same thing for DVD 2. Right click, or Control A, I mean, and then unclick the and extract to SRNW2B, and you get this folder with the second disk image, 2B. So once you get both of those in, you wanna you go back to DVD 1, click on the folder, right click, or I'm sorry, leave it up here, and you'll need a program called Daemon Tools. And just wait for that to load here. And it'll be in the right hand corner of your screen by your little date and time, which I can't show you since my format's not that large. And you'll get it, and you'll click on the Daemon Tools light icon in the little taskbar section on your toolbar in Windows. You'll right click it and you'll see a list things such as Mountain Drive Manager, disk imaging, virtual devices. Once you get the virtual devices, you're gonna go to device, the first device, leave your mouse on top of it, and you'll have a little mount image button. Once you get the little mount image button, it'll ask you to select the image file, and you'll go to wherever you have that program called wherever you have that program. Mine's in the download section, and you go to the first DVD, and you'll click open on that file, and then it'll just play like it usually does when you put a CD in your DVD-ROM drive. So it's pretty simple, as you can see there. You just click it and it runs. Next, and download it. Okay, so once you done that, it'll ask you for a second. It'll ask you to put in disk 2. You go back to Demon Tools, and you do the same thing over again, and you go back to mount image over that image, and you go to DVD2 and double click on the folder, and then you mount the second image, and then it'll finish downloading. Okay, so once that everything is downloaded, don't open the program yet. Do not open it. Modern Warfare 2. I'm sorry. Modern Warfare 2, mine's 22. And you'll see a bunch of these files. This one and this one is what you need to be looking at. You'll need to replace them with the correct files, which you go back into BitTorrent, and you'll need to go to your completed section and go to the quality crack and open the containing folder. Once you're in the containing folder, once you're in the containing folder, you need to extract that. Right click it, extract to Skid Row crack update, and it'll come up in another folder here. And you just go into that file, and you need to copy. You need to run this application here, FAH, and agree, and it'll apply this patch to it'll allow this patch to the game, which I already did. And then you'll copy this. You'll copy this icon, copy it, and you'll go back to the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 files and your programs, and your local disk C drive. Again, you go to program files, Activision, Modern Warfare 2, mine's 22, and you'll just right click and paste that in there, and it'll ask you to copy and replace it. You want to do that yes for both images. So what this does is that it puts a crack over it, so you don't need the CD and you don't need Steam and all that, so you can just play the game on its own. If you don't do this, the game will not open, and it may give you some error messages. So that's what you need to do there. Once you're done with that, you basically just double click on the icon or create a shortcut or whatever. Go to programs. You just double click it and it runs. That's about it. If you have any questions, please send me a message. I'll be happy to answer them. Just leave them in the comment section. If this helps you, please rate 5 stars and subscribe for future videos on how to get free other games and stuff. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.